will depict the whole theme of the movie within 5 minutes.
टूटते हुए तारे को देखकर हम सब कुछ मांगते हैं और कभी कभी ये तारे जमीन पर आ जाते हैं, हमारी सारी आशाओं को पंख लगाने, हमारे अधूरे सपनों को पूरा करने। हर माता पिता के पास ऐसा ही एक तारा है जो ईश्वर ने उन्हें दिया है उनके जीवन को रोशनी से जगमगाने के लिए। तो ऐसा क्यों है कि हम इनमें से कई तारों की चमक को पहचान ही नहीं पाते? सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग वी हैव तारे जमीन पर, which will be performed by the students of our own college, Pramukh Swami Medical College, by the organizing batch.
Not really. I think I have everything that I want.
आप में से कोई ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने कुछ मांगा है टूटते हुए तारे को देख के? मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा। मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा।
तारे जमीन पर।
What an astounding performance. Friends, that brings us to an end of the wonderful competition. I guess the judges are going to require some time to decide the best from the best.
Yes, that's for sure.
फ्रेंड्स, मुझे एक बात बताओ, हर एक वाइवा में टीचर्स हमसे सवाल पूछते हैं। Isn't it time कि हम टीचर से कुछ सवाल पूछे? I can't hear you guys. Akshit, can you hear me?
Yes, Chinmay. So let's begin with it. Whom do we begin with? Hitesh sir, may I ask you a question? Just a simple question. What do you break by just saying one word?
What do you say?
What do you break by just saying one word?
Silence.
Dr. Dhawal. When do elephants have 8 feet?
When elephants have extra numerary legs.
Let me answer it. When there are 2 of them. Next one for Maitri ma'am. How do you make one disappear? How do you make one disappear?
Thank you. Cover it up.
That's not the right one. Ma'am, would you like to try?
Throw one out.
No, that's not the correct one. It's just add a G and it's gone. Next is Dr. Nishit. Which was the highest mountain before Mount Everest was discovered?
Mount Goodwin Austin, K2.
No, that's not correct. Someone said from the audience. Yeah, that's right. It was still the Mount Everest, just that it was not discovered. Trivedi sir. What remains in a corner still travels the whole world. What remains in a corner still travels the whole world.
No idea. Sorry.
It's okay. Deepak sir.
It is the corner only.
Audience. I can't hear you. The question is, what remains in a corner still travels the whole world? Audience. It's a stamp. A postal stamp. Gautam sir. What five-letter English word does not change its pronunciation when even four letters are taken away? Anyone else would like to try? Yes, sir.
Q.
That's correct. A Q. I guess the audience are able to answer more. So let's ask them. What question can you never answer truthfully and affirmatively? That's not the answer. Anyone from the audience? What question can you never answer truthfully and affirmatively? No. Do you find that so difficult to answer? Let me answer it. It's, are you asleep? I guess no one can answer that. Okay. Let's check your mathematics. Let's see how good you are at in primary. What? Sorry. How many times can you subtract 6 from 30? How many times can you subtract 6 from 30? Yes?
One time.
That's correct. Once you subtract it, it's no longer 30. That's it, guys. Thank you.
On the stage, to reveal the suspense and announce the results. Dr. Rupal Patel ma'am, Dr. Lopa Dalal ma'am, and Dr. Ketki Patel ma'am. Please come up to the dais.
I guess all of you are eager to know the results. Both of us are really eager to know who has won this competition.
We consider costumes of all the dance performances and solo as well as duet and group dance. We consider creativity and concept of the song and the performance. Another was a rhythm, in the rhythm which they were performing. Another was the expression. In many of the performances, expressions we could not find out because there was some either lights were not totally on them or they were not showing expressions. And many times they were painted or they were behind the curtain. And another one was the movements and steps. And last one was the coordination, particularly for the duet and group dances. I'll hand over mic to Dr. Ketki for the difficulties which we faced.
Thank you, Lopa ma'am. Good evening, everybody. Well, as Lopa ma'am said that we faced certain difficulties. Those were specifically in the areas of expression, movements and coordination. The reason being, the coordination is the sole part of group dance, without which it is incomplete. And without expressions, because what is dance? Dance is what we express through our movements, not through words, through our gestures and through our face. So once they are painted or once you are just not lip-syncing, a person sitting in front is unable to understand the concept what you're trying to explain. So these were the minor areas of difficulty. I would like to hand over the mic to Rupal madam to announce the results.
Hello everyone. All of you are waiting for the results, so I won't delay it. So the winner in the duet dance, the first is going to Pratik and Zenith. And the runner-up is DDIT group for Pehla Nasha. Now in solo dance competition, obviously Kesha Salvi is the winner. And for runner-up, we had some confusion, but finally we decided Shreya as a runner-up. For group dance, it was really a difficult task to judge the result. We are giving first to the Bhagyashriyan group. The runner-up is Anshi and group from BJMC. So thank you all. It was a nice evening. Thank you.
I would like to thank the judges for their wise decision. My hearty congratulations to all the winners and even to the participants because they put up a great show. We'll be having a break of 30 minutes and we'll be resuming for the musical night after that. Thank you.